Let's see, their team looks attackery.
We both had one of each.
Got two. North is doing really good, by the way. So
That's awesome. South for picking up speed.
well, so we just got away.
No.
Well, so I know he has the eject button. I'm not gonna get away this time. Your eject button, so oh, he runs away again. Wow, he uses it again. Bulbasaur's used all his resources. And I've turned into Jaws.
Yep, I'm my full capability.
Nobody stopped me. You were just a weak little thing to me, man. Not you. Sorry.
I get that.
The opponent that I'm...
But, yeah, the narrative. I see where it's going.
I just, like, don't have good control over how powerful I am sometimes. Oh, no. Alert in the north.
Ooh.
There's a comeback amidst. Who are the main characters in Jaws? I gotta watch Jaws to figure out the main characters now. Oh gosh, this guy. I know it's supposed to be a crocodile. Are there any horror movies with crocodiles? No, the famous name.
No.
Oh. Who's Rapidash? No?
Okay.
Oh,
Of course.
that was pretty good.
Oh my god, 6. Perfect. Oh, sorry, I should let you go.
So.
Hey, baby. You wanna go back home? You're not evolved yet.
Yeah, you're not old enough to be out
You're
on the
just
big boys playground.
Yeah.
feel safe? You just gonna run away from this? Really? You wanna?
Oh my god.
Survive. I didn't like it. Oh, oh, oh boy.
Go away. No.
I used my eating.
That's cool. Feraligatr is cool. Ha! I run faster though.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you do.
Oh gosh. I don't know if that was a good thing.
Oh.
Oh fudge.
Yeah, we were kind of like racing there, and we should have been more defensive.
Yeah.
Okay.
There should be 2-ish right there, but they might have left.
Oh, there. No, they're still there.
There's 2-ish.
One's gonna score because I used Jaws wrong. That even kill me! Holy moly! Okay, I survived. No one got our middle fella?
Yeah. Fudge them. Strong hunt. I'm gonna be on it. Center.
There. Just died after a game of tag with Game Sword.
No. Okay.
You still need something?
Good.
I'm there anyway. Interesting. No coins. We left no coins. Good job, guys. Interesting. I think he would also bounce off of things with waterfall before, and now he doesn't do that. Or maybe that was a different guy. I thought it was him.
Dude. That was so cool.
Well,
Right.
what?